What is up? It is Big Char Trades back with another video, and in this video I am going to be recapping my trade from today where I made around $6,900 across my accounts. Now this is actually my first trade that I took on my new 100K My Funded Futures Pro account, which the max payout is literally 100K, so it's insane. But basically, I'm going to explain the trade from you guys, or to you guys, and why I took this short. So let's get right into it. So if we go on the hourly time frame, we can see that the NASDAQ is currently inside of this range, right? And if we take just a look at this range, we can see that equilibrium is around this area, right? And what do we see in this area? Well, we see this fair value gap, and we see this fair value gap, right? So when I see those fair value gaps, I'm like, okay, let's see if price is respecting those levels. Well, we can see at this top fair value gap, what happens? Every single time price sweeps the high, goes lower, right? You guys see this? So we had 8:30 a.m. unemployment claims, which is red folder news, this morning. So I was like, okay, my analysis is we're either going to trade lower and sweep these Asia lows, if this loads. Let's see if this loads, yeah. So we're either going to trade lower and sweep these Asia lows and then go higher, right? Because this is around equilibrium of this range, right? Or we're going to trade into the higher time frame hourly gap, and we're going to use that liquidity to trade lower, right? So what I did was we can mark out these data highs, right? 8:30 a.m. data highs right here, right? And what we see is price goes ahead and sweeps data lows, right? And market open, or around market open, right? Around 9 a.m. we sweep data lows, trade up to data highs, and at this point I'm like, what can I use for a short out of these data highs, right? Because I'm not just going to take the short out of data highs. I want a PD rate to align with these data highs. So I see this 15-minute order block right here. Why is this an order block? Well, this is an order block because this is the series of up-close candles that swept the high, right? So we see this order block, and we also, or this is the 5-minute time frame. Whoops. Let's go to 15. Okay, same order block right here. And then we also have another order block all the way back here, right here, which is an even better order block because it pulled into this fair value gap. Right here, the order block is down these up close candles right here, right? So price sweeps into these overlapping order blocks, and I go on the 1 minute, and I see this fair value gap right here. Oh, we also have SMT as well. If we zoom out here in this range, we can see that at this point in time, we have SMT. Okay, wait, let me get off the 1 minute time frame. Whoops, sorry guys. I'm a little bit brain dead right now. We have SMT right here. Oh my God. Right here. As you can see, these London highs are all the way up here. Or it wasn't that light, was it? No, it was these Asia highs right here. And then if we go to, as you can see, like we're already trading nearly above these, and on ES, these are all the way up here, right? So we see that huge SMT. So with that SMT, I was confident in taking a 30-second inversion. So what did I do? Drop down to the 30-second time frame, and that inversion right here, let me remove all these drawings. Right here, this inversion, that was my entry right there. And 519, 519, 519. So like right here. Okay, I'm just gonna go to 519. Right there, right? Stop obviously goes at the high, and final TP is down here for a 2.17R. I actually ended up closing this trade a little early because it's NFP tomorrow, and we left this failure swing here. So in my head, I'm like, okay, I'm not down to just hold this trade forever. But this trade actually ended up hitting TP. I could have gone break even and held this trade all the way down to Asia lows, which was my drawn liquidity for the day, which I sent to my Discord. So this would have been a 3R trade. Nice 88-point banger. Already journaled that, so that's the improvement that I could have made today. Could have held that down lower, but dub is a dub. This was a very nice day. We have NFP tomorrow as well, so tomorrow is probably going to be a very, very, very solid day. And with that being said, that concludes today's trade recap. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you took the same trade as me, or just let me know whatever trade you took, because I am very curious. I read all my comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you want 10% off all Alpha Futures accounts, you can use code Char. The link is down below in the description. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. Peace out.